When the spirit leaves the ground, the body forgets how to stand. Eyes open, but they don't see. Ears work, but they don't hear. Still there's a sound, low tide calling you home. When you lose your spirit, you lose your ground. Body starts folding, world spins around. Mind full of noise, but truth ain't loud. Heart in the crowd, but you feel alone now. Eyes wide open, still blind to the light. Ears full of words, can't hear what's right. Trapped in interference, signal delay. Soul buffering light, stuck in the shade. Fear got a grip, demons sell dreams. They dress up pain, call it everything. They pull you sideways, fracture your aim, make you forget why you came. But there's an ocean inside, I hear it calling me home. Like waves in the dark when I feel alone. I'm just a turtle in sand, brand new breath in my lungs. Through fear, through fire, I crawl to the one. Fresh from the shell, first light in my eyes. Thousands around me, same fragile life. Same direction, same pull in the chest. Same voice whispering, keep going, don't rest. Seagulls above, shadows on ground. Predators waiting, chaos, loud sound. Some don't make it, some lose the way. Some freeze in fear, never move from the place. Devils don't scream, they confuse. They blur the path, twist the truth. They say stay here, it's safer to hide. But the ocean don't lie. There's an ocean inside, I hear it calling me home. That rhythm of mercy, that ancient tone. I'm just a turtle in sand, with scars I didn't choose. Still crawling forward, still following you. God is the water that keeps you alive. God is the pull when you're weak. God is the sound underneath. Not judging, not pushing, just wave, saying come. No matter how far, you're never done. When I fall, I listen deeper. When I'm lost, I get quieter. Pain taught me how to hear. Healing takes time, not fear. I don't need wings, I don't need gold. Just faith strong enough to move my soul. Every step slow, but it's still progress. Every breath closer to wholeness. I've seen darkness, I shook his hand. Still chose love when I could've ran. Now I walk with the tide, not against. Trust the ocean, trust the sense. There's an ocean inside and it knows my name. Even when I'm broken, it stays the same. I'm just a turtle in sand, but the sea waits for me. This is healing, this is time, this is destiny. If you can hear it, you're not lost. Follow the sound, the ocean